In this video, you'll learn how to calculate the median and mean for a group data set. We don't need to calculate the mode here. The mode is defined as the most frequently occurring value. And we see that 19 is the highest frequency. So that means that the midpoint of the class from 105 to 109, which is 107, is the mode, the most frequently occurring value. Remember that when data is grouped, we use the midpoint of each interval as a representative value for that class. So the mode is going to be 107. Now to find the mean and the median, we go to the list editor on the calculator, Stat, Enter. And we can have the calculator calculate the midpoint for us if it's not obvious. I mean, for us, the value that's between 70 and 74 is 72, so it's pretty obvious. But you can always take the lower class limit, add the upper class limit, and divide by 2 to get the midpoint. So there's the midpoint for the first class. For the second class, it would be 75 plus 79 divided by 2 for 77. Now, you might notice that the class width for this group data is 5, right? The difference between 70 and 75 is 5, between 75 and 80 is 5, etc. So we can just add 5 until we reach the last class here. So 77 plus 5 would be 82, 82 plus 5 would be 87, 87 plus 5 is 92, 92 plus 5 is 97, 97 plus 5 is 102, 102 plus 5 is 107, and then we have one more class, adding 5 would give us a midpoint of 112. Now that we've got all the midpoints in, we just enter the frequencies that correspond. So 2, 0, 4, 3, 5, 10, 12, 19, and 12. So checking that we've got everything entered correctly, we now press second mode to quit. Now we're going to use something called one variable stats to find the mean and the median with one command. The calculator does have individual commands that will find the median and the mean, but I like one variable stats because you get it all. So you press the stat button, you go to the calculate menu, and the first item on that menu is your one variable stats. List 1 is the list that holds our midpoints. The frequencies are in list 2. So this is already set up for us to go ahead and calculate. The mean is the value that is displayed as X bar. It's the very first one. And you can see that if we were to round this to 2 decimal places, we would have 100.96 for a mean. Let's check that. There it is. Now the median is on the second screen of output. And there you see the median is 102. So using the calculator is a much easier means of, if you'll pardon the pun, finding statistics for group data.